Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here today. It is, I don't know, when is it? It's late August, and I'm getting ready to start Section 7. Today's the 27th. So it's August 27th today. I'm back here in Loudonville at the Amico, where I ended my last route. Today, we are going to hop on Section 7 and head south to, I think it ends in Salt Fork if memory serves. I don't know, but strange thing is, I no sooner stop and the ODNR stops in and turns on their lights and parks there for some reason. Okay, I guess he's allowed, but whatever. All right, let's get going, and I'll see you somewhere on the trail. As we creep through the Mohican State Forest here, just basically got on the route. Figured I'd tell you local knowledge. This gets really packed with people during the summer, hikers and campers and all that kind of thing. So just be on the watch out when you're on these roads. Be people, bicycle, horses, you name it. One of the local attractions that I haven't marked on my route app is the local fire tower here. I don't know if they still have the stairs blocked. It doesn't look like it, but a lot of times people knock down the fence when they block it anyway. You can go up to the top, but you can't get in the top, at least last time I was there a few years ago. This is a little bit of a side trip. This covered bridge is not on the actual GOAT route, but I thought I'd bring it down here and show you. And what I'm gonna do is, on my version of this route, I'm gonna go ahead and include this bridge just so you can see it if you would like to. We are in the town of Greer right now, getting ready to make a right-hand turn right up here. And we're going to be following the river here, and I must admit, I'm glad to see this particular road on the route. It is such a beautiful ride. I mean, unless something bad has happened to the road, I wouldn't call it technical or anything like that, but it's just gorgeous. And a little campground here if you're interested in that. I honestly don't know if it's free or not. I don't know anything about it other than the fact it's here. Oh, this has been changed. Yeah, I've been through here before. So what's changed that you can no longer go through here? I mean, you got the cool, I think that used to be a railway bridge that's been converted into a walking bridge. Mohican Trail Cover Bridge. Stop to take a break here. I think you've seen the video already where it says this road no longer has an outlet, but yeah, the fish are kind of hungry today. One just came up there. When I first got there, there was a huge one that came up there. So hey, if you're into fishing, this might be a place to come and stop. It's part of the Mohican Valley Trail. They'll have to figure out here later if this road's really closed or not. I know the Parks Department just went up that road a little bit ago with their mowers. They drove across the bridge and now they're somewhere over there mowing. I can just barely hear them now. The road happens to make a hard left and go uphill before you get to the part that's actually closed. This is the Mohawk Dam area. This is actually a pretty popular spot on a lot of different Ohio adventure routes and YouTube channels and Facebook groups. It is August 27th, like I said earlier in the video. I'm on County Road 62, and the amount of trees turning color already and that fall smell in the air is quite disturbing. The Farmer's Almanac predicts a very cold and wet winter for Ohio. They didn't come right out and say it, but by wet, I'm assuming that means snow. Hi, Mr. Groundhog. But I have never seen trees turn this early in Ohio. Lived here off and on most of my 50-some odd years of life. Okay, we're in Wills Creek. I stopped here at Wills Creek Grub and Pub. What a great place for lunch. A simple mom and pop shop. The people were awesome, friendly. I got me some chicken strips and fries, which that's hard to go wrong with. It's one of my go-tos. This is on the trail, I do believe, because I kind of took a side trip here. But looking at the map, I think I'm looking at it right. This is part of the trail. If you're here, you're hungry, stop, give them some business. I got chicken strips, fries, and a Dr. Pepper. It was $13 and change here, August 2024. Well, damn. Get it? Well, damn. Get it? Second dam of the trip. Wills Creek Dam. Look at this crazy Ohio. It thinks it's the freaking beginning stages of fall. And I don't think fall officially begins till what, like September 20th or something like that? It's almost a month away. I'm at the point of the route where my software gets all kinds of confused. So it doesn't think any of this exists. I'm assuming I can go ahead and go this way. You can see on the map it doesn't show it, and it's all kinds of upset right now, but oh, I guess I'm still in second gear. Whoops. Seems like a road. I mean, this is what the GPX file that Brad created showed, but my particular mapping software using the HERE maps, which is the same as what a Garmin device would use, doesn't like this. It doesn't know this is HERE. But I believe it was the TomTom maps and the OpenStreetMaps does show all this. So it's just one of those points that, depending on what mapping software you like to use, it may go crazy. But where it told me I should go straight back there, you can't go straight. I mean, it's overgrown and literally blocked off. So this route that I'm doing here is your only option, and it is open. That is section 7 in the books. Oh yeah, put a side stand down before you forget, huh? Wouldn't that be hilarious? Oh, let me clean that off. All right, it's August 27th, like I've already said. It is 1:49 p.m. What time did I start this? I don't remember, but section 7 is now in the books. I am at the, that sign says Stonehouse Nature Trail parking lot here. This is where I will start section 6 the next time I do one of these, and I'll be headed that direction. All right, if you like this, if you would, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video.